Billionaire back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. You hear that? That's my hands rubbing together. And you know why? Because look at this. 2 days ago, 53K. Now you're speaking, bro. Accumulation capital until then to Mars. Yes, exactly. Because 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I've been saying Bitcoin price, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. And that's exactly what we saw. We saw, this is hilarious, my friends. This is hilarious, my friends. Because I explained it in last video, or some of it at least. The mom and pops here are getting scared. They're selling because it just hit their stops. Now, this is gonna trigger big money. Come back in and push it higher. Alright? This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. We'll just take out the fib level. Ready? Look at this. It's a beautiful retracement. Right down to the 382 level. And that's where we need to hold support. Now, what we're seeing here is a fake out. We have seen fake outs in many charts over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So, yeah. This price just got pushed down to wipe out these people and take out their stops so the big money can get a discount on their price. And right now, DOGELON Mars is looking absolutely scrumptious, my friends. Before we get to that, let's head on over to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index to see what we are looking at. Alright? We are in a state of neutrality. Yesterday was 32 levels, exactly what we wanted to see. Alright. Coin market cap. Elon coin. The beautiful one and only. Look at this. Look at these levels we're at. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We dropped down to the 12 levels just like our rectangle was at. Let me redraw the rectangle for all of you guys that are new. If you're new, hit that subscribe button because I am predicting these charts. It's not even me. I'm just reading the charts, telling you guys what to look out for. This is exactly what we need to look out for. Look at this. So, let me explain to you what happened. Another fake out. A fake out, 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 a fake out. So, came down. It came down. Okay, you got to realize, these people that bought here, they bought in, right? They put their stop loss probably around here. Not probably. They definitely did. And I'll tell you why, because there's confirmation onto why. But you got to realize there's people day trading the markets. There's algorithms day trading these markets, and they push these prices up. All right, and they have stop losses to where they mitigate the risk. Stop losses meaning if it goes down this certain percent, I'm gonna cut it. I'll take my losses and move on to the next coin. So this big money, the algorithms accumulated here, pushed it out, created what it looked like to be a fake out. But really, they were faking out the fake out to get these algorithms out. Now, this gets confusing, but I'll explain exactly what's going on. So, we see some big whales come in, push it down, take out the algorithmic stop losses right below break even. And then they push the price higher. Now, what we need to see in order for this to continue moving to the upside. Now, I know if this sounds technical, then you guys need to email me. I have a pre-sale going on for my crypto course. It will teach you absolutely everything you need to know in order to day trade or swing trade these crypto markets. And it's on pre-sale right now. There's limited spots available. So hurry. So, okay, what we need to see is exactly what we saw here. This is on the 4 hourly charts. It came down, tested the support line, got pushed back up. It's creating a doji candle. Now, we've seen this many times, all right? This 50% right here. Big candle, 50%. What we want to see here is exactly it land and end in the 4 hourly charts in the doji candle. And then this next green candle needs to push up and end around this 1414 level. All right, that's in the next 4 hours. We need to see that buying pressure. We need to see that buying pressure. We don't want it to hover around these areas. That is not a good sign if it starts to consolidate. That means we have a higher potential of moving even lower to the 10 to the 8 level. Let me draw that out for you guys. 10 being a psychological barrier, natural point of resistance, and then 8.8 being the bottom of this, where the big whales first got in. Now, personally, the only way it can drop down there is if the meme markets keep dropping. But I really do think this is natural, extremely natural. If we look at the fib levels, let's draw her out for you guys. But yeah, guys, for real, I'm accumulating. I've been accumulating the whole time, and those of you that are in the Patreon have been accumulating as well, because I update you guys daily on what the price action is doing, so you guys don't even have to look at the charts. If you're interested in getting the Patreon, go hurry. It is in my bio. I'll put it in the description, not my bio, but we have about 4 spots left. So if you're interested, you better hop on quick, because they're going to be gone by the end of the day. All right, this is what we need to look for. Look at this Fibonacci level, all right? It started basing around the 0.5 level. Let's see if I have my swing low correct. I don't have my swing low correct. Swing low to swing high. That's what you need to look for. All right, so boom. Swing low. All right, cool. What the heck is looking? All right. Yeah, this is the overall move. This is the overall move. It's just kind of, it had to it had to register in my brain what's going on, because it depends where you move the Fibonacci level. If you move it here, everything lines up perfectly, right? But if you look at the overall move, then it's more kind of like dynamic. There's more of a price swings to it. It doesn't really fit the lines perfectly. So let's look at these moves. Here we have seen a dip to the 618 level after a dip to the 786 level. We've seen this with Shiba Inu time and time again, my friend. It comes down here, and then it comes up, bases again, and moves higher. All right, this is extreme accumulation phase. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire, and this is what I am doing on my own time. I only made this channel for me, to help me get in the best times and stick to my own trading plans. Now, you guys like it, and I'm wonderful and happy you guys like it. Let's get into what you guys need to look out for and when the best times to get in or out would be. Okay, what we need to see in order for another confirmation to get in, we need to see this next green candle close above this 14 level on the 4-hourly charts. We want to see this let me repeat that. We want to see, I'll even draw it out for you guys to make it super easy. We want to see this next green candle close above this 14 level. Above this last big body of the red candle. Above this 14 level. Let me repeat that. If we see that, that is confirmation that it is a good time to be averaging in, because we have found strong support. However, if we see another red candle coming down to test this, that is a bearish sign that we could be heading down to the 10 levels. All right. Now, will that happen? We shall see. I personally don't believe that will happen, but we shall see. We are open to anything in this channel. And yeah, literally the only way that can happen is if Bitcoin continues to drop. And it is showing strong support right on this Fibonacci level, scaring these retail investors out. Now, what we should see from Bitcoin is major buying tomorrow. We should see a green candle coming up to this 56 level. And if we see that, then that is extreme confirmation that getting in DOGELON MARS would be a good choice, because the markets are starting to reverse. All right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Once you get the hang of technical analysis, it becomes really easy. That kind of rhymed, and I didn't really mean it to rhyme, but it did. Okay, so again, let me repeat it. We need to see a green candle closing above this 14 level. That is confirmation to add 1/4 of your bag if you haven't already. Now, if you guys have been following the channel, the first time you would have added 1/4 would have been around this 13 area. Second time would have been around here. Third time you would have averaged here. All right, and this is the fourth. I have been sending out confirmations for those of you that have not averaged in completely. All right. I've been sending out confirmations for those of you who have just gotten notoriety of this coin and are looking to buy, looking to get in. But this one, if we see this next green candle close above this, this is our final confirmation for those of you who have been following way back here. This is our final averaging in confirmation. All right, before we have liftoff. Now, if we don't see that green candle and it starts basing around here, then we need to wait and see what the price action entails. We need to wait and see what the volume has in store for us. We need to see major volume. Not even major. We need to see volume bigger than this candle here, moving to the upside, and that will be confirmation. All right. That's what we need to look out for in the next few hours / days. Crypto Billionaire 69 coming at you with daily in-depth technical analysis videos. Go check out the Patreon if you don't want to watch his charts. I'll keep you guys updated on the best times to buy and sell. This is not financial advice. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. We are heading to Mars, my friends. Let me draw it out. Let me draw it out. Let me draw it out. This is Mars. This is us. Boom! We're actually heading way higher than that. You guys got to realize, you guys really need to stay patient in these markets. Patience wins in anything in life. Patience wins in the markets. Now, what we shall see in the future, look at this. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to see a massive green candle, just like Shiba Inu, pushing higher. Once we see that, this will become irrelevant. You could have gotten at the top. As long as you HODL, this massive green candle will push you into profits, all right? These 40, 46, 40, 50 levels are just around the corner, my friends. And that is extreme profits. And as it goes higher, those of you who are following along, and especially those of you who are in the private group chats in the Patreon, will be getting confirmation on when the best times to average out of your positions. Now, averaging in is half of the story, okay? You have to average in, but none of that matters if you're in 1,000% gain and you don't average out before it crashes back down to a 30% gain, all right? Guys, averaging out is just as important as averaging in. Averaging in allows you to maximize your profits, as well as averaging out allows you to maximize your profits. And that's what we will be going over on this channel and in the Patreon and in the course, if you guys are interested. So you can do it on your own. You don't have to rely on me. So, yes, that's what we do on this channel. We get in before the hype. It blows up. And then we average out as the mom and pops hear about it. And the whales are selling to the mom and pops, which will drive the price down eventually. And that's why the old people, the people that hear it on the news, always get stuck holding the bag of poop that DOGELON Mars just created. Because of all of the food that it ate down here, it has to poop sometime when it gets up here. And those who got stuck walking the dog up here is going to be left holding the poop. And we're going to be the ones passing off the bag to go pick up the poop for those people that need to go pick it up and hold it. All right? We're not holding the poop. We're passing the bag. We'll be the last people, the absolute last people before the poop is left to hold. All right, my friends. I hope you like that analogy. Hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.